hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
YouTube, it's your girl Mrs. Katrina D, and I am back with another Vlogmas video. Vlogmas day number 21. 21's 4 days away from Christmas, you guys. OMG! If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bells, the post notification bell, the like button. Guys, today was very, very eventful. I was so busy, I didn't even have time to even do my intro, guys. As you can see, I'm just now doing my intro, but that's okay. It's okay. Just gonna fill you in. Babe, can you turn it down for me just a little bit? Anyways, today I had to, of course, get my nails done for the holiday. Pictures coming very, very soon. We got to do our holiday photos. You'll get the behind the scenes of that anyways, because we're doing Vlogmas, which means you will know what's going on each and every single day. It's kind of different for me. Sometimes I would pre-record, but for the most part, my Vlogmas is usually dead on the same day that it takes place, and today is day 21, unless I fall behind and I have to combine days. But I started off with my nail. I had to go to the spa, get my nails done. Then I also got my eyebrows arched, which I was super devastated. Fortunately, hubby is saying he loves my eyebrows, guys, because I grew them back for about an entire year. I didn't let anyone touch my eyebrows just to get them back full, because I naturally have really thick, pretty eyebrows, and the more that I got them arched, plucked, and all that waxed, they thinned them out. And so I told the girl, I said, not thin, just a touch up, clean them up, normal. And I think all she heard was thin. She didn't hear not, she didn't hear normal, touch up, none of that. So I was devastated, but sent the picture to my hubby, and he was like, girl, I like that. I'm like, okay, well, I will possibly, I like how they're cleaned up, but I hate how thin they are, but it's okay. It's minor. I'm not gonna blow it, or I had to breathe. So I didn't get to vlog that because I kind of forgot. You know, going through with my day, I did a few things I forgot to vlog, but I did make my way to the nail tech today on my break. And then I did everything, mostly all my shopping, pretty much everything today. I did my online shopping with it when it comes to food, groceries. I prepped for that to be delivered for tomorrow morning, as well as some essentials we need for the house, like air fresheners and all the extra good stuff that we need to prepare for party. And I already think I have plugins, refills, but that's okay. It's always good to have extra. But I did pre-order that because, guys, we are finna have a big snowstorm. That's what they say. And usually they right when it comes to snow. Now heat, they're not always right. But anyways, God has the final say above all else. And basically, it's supposed to be a big snowstorm starting tonight. So we shall definitely see what happens with that. I got us some food. I got a lot of stuff right here, y'all. That's hubby. He watching something on TV. But I got a whole lot of stuff, as y'all can see. Hubby still has to wrap his stuff, but I got a lot of stuff today. I typically give my older nieces and whoever's the older and the people at the party gift cards. So that's super easy. But of course, we got my dad something because we got mom something the other day. And we had to get the little kids toys or whatever. So I got that out the way. Also found hubby a nice jacket, y'all, for our pictures. I already had accessories, so it doesn't make sense to get accessories. I got a lot of them in my jewelry kit that's in my closet, so I'm going to use that. I did forget my fishnet stockings, but I honestly think I have fishnet stockings in my drawer, so hopefully I'm right about that. About to find out for the pictures. And I think that's pretty much it. I had to go to Dollar Tree and get all the stuff for the Christmas party, and all the extras and stuff that I would usually use, like the gift bags that I put together for everybody. For the games, I always have gift bags with prizes in it for everyone to basically win something and make it eventful. So I don't know. I went to a lot of places. So yep, that's pretty much it for Vlogmas Day 21. Like I said, very eventful, very busy. Your girl is starving, literally. And I know I've eaten all day, but I am so hungry. So we're about to eat. We're about to wrap it up. I got Rocky Rococo's. I don't know if y'all know about Rocky Rococo's. It's a pizza place here in Wisconsin. And I think it was made in Wisconsin, right, babe? Yeah, so it's originally from here. So I don't think y'all had it, but it is so good. If you had it, comment down below. That's it. I am off work from this day forward. We thought hubby was off tomorrow, but he is not. But that's okay. He'll be off after tomorrow. So I'm going to just enjoy you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22. And I get to sleep in, which is heaven, you guys. It is so heaven. So anyways, that's it for this vlog. Hope everyone is having a safe, blessed, very blessed Wednesday, Vlogmas Day 21. I'm having a great day. I'm thankful. Gotta get my hair done, all that good stuff. So anyways, stay tuned. I want you to stay safe, stay blessed, check on someone, let them know that you love them. We love you, but God loves you more. And we will see you in the next Vlogmas video. Bye, guys.